Let's say we wanted some music or we wanted the sound effects for the burning building. I could click on sound effects and then I could go to the bottom right here and simply describe the sound effect. And I could type in fire, the duration. We would want to adjust it to the length of my clip, which is 5 seconds. And now ElevenLabs generates 3 different sound effects that we can choose from and add to our project. So let's take a listen. This one sounds perfect, so I'm going to place my playhead at the beginning, click the plus sign on the sound effect, and it's now imported onto my project. If I click on it and then go to edit, I can adjust the audio. I don't want it to be too loud. And now if I play this back from the beginning.
Honestly, I think the fire emoji is overrated.
And so that is how to use your own custom voice or voice clone with your Kling 2.6 video generations.